78% of NFL players undergo financial crisis by 2 years of retirement. Upon retiring for 2 years, a majority of former NFL players undergo bankruptcy or financial crisis. The main culprits: unemployment and divorce. Moon trees are a thing. No, it's not another edgy underground indie band, but one of the endless fun facts about plants. Moon trees were sprouted from tree seeds that were flown to the moon, then planted in the earth. 500 seeds were taken from 5 different seed types to orbit around the moon. They were later planted around the U.S. and a few other countries. A filmmaker once created a 10-hour film of paint drying. One of the pettiest yet wittiest fun facts: to protest high tariffs, filmmaker Charlie Line submitted a 10-hour movie of drying white paint to the British Board of Film Classification (BBC). The board had to watch paint drying in its entirety, all 10 hours and 7 minutes of it. During the first 5 months of Pokémon Go, gaming-related accidents increased by 26.5%. People may joke about Pokémon Go bringing world peace, but the game was actually doing quite the opposite. Upon the first few months of its release, Pokémon Go-related casualties included 2 deaths and $25.5 million in property damages. If you ate nothing but rabbit meat, you would die from protein poisoning. Rabbit meat is extremely lean. Using it as a sole food source will leave you with too much protein and no fat, which is toxic for the body. Hundreds of rare animals and plants thrive in the North Korea-South Korea border. The Korean Demilitarized Zone (DMZ) is 155 miles of untouched land that separates North and South Korea. In these heavily fortified fences, several endangered animal and plant species thrive. Ecologists identified around 2,900 plant species, 70 mammal species, and 320 bird species in this narrow buffer zone. The tongue is the only muscle in the body attached from one end. All other muscles are fully attached to bones and skin.